Once upon a time, there was a cruel lion living in a jungle. Every day, he would kill 2 or 3 animals. All the animals in the jungle were afraid of him. In the same jungle, there lived a clever monkey who, unlike the others, was not evil. He minded his own business. One day, while roaming the jungle for some work, the lion killed his child and several of his companions. When he returned and saw them dead, he cried a lot. Soon, he realized that this was the lion's doing. He promised himself that he would not rest until he avenged their deaths. The monkey thought that he alone could not do anything, but if the other animals joined him, they could defeat the lion together. However, he also knew that all the animals were too afraid of the lion, who would support him. Thinking this, the monkey devised a plan. He gathered many animals in the jungle and said to them, "Listen, my brothers. If we do nothing about the lion soon, he will slowly kill us all. If we want to stay alive, we must kill the lion." All the animals agreed to kill the lion. At that moment, an old deer asked, "But who will kill the lion?" The monkey replied, "None of us can kill the lion, but only a lion can kill another lion." The animals were surprised and asked, "Where is the other lion?" The monkey said, "Now, all of you leave, and we will meet here in the morning." Some cowardly animals went to the lion and told him, "The monkey is planning to bring another lion into the jungle to kill you in the morning." The lion laughed and said, "Tomorrow morning, it won't be me who dies, it will be that monkey who dies at my hands. You will all be rewarded for bringing me this news." The next morning, the lion reached the spot. At a distance, he saw another lion sitting. The cruel lion ran toward the other lion to kill him. Suddenly, he fell into a deep pit where sharp wooden stakes were placed like daggers. The stakes pierced his body, and he died instantly. After the lion's death, the monkey removed the fake lion's skin and looked at the animals, saying, "I have fulfilled my promise." All the animals were both amazed and ashamed. Then, the monkey said, "I knew that you all feared the lion so much that whatever I told you, you would report it to him. That's why I played this trick. First, I found a deep pit, placed sharp wooden stakes in it, and then lied to you that another lion had come to the jungle. I knew you would inform the cruel lion, making him angry and causing him to fall into the trap in his rage." Upon hearing this, all the animals began to celebrate with joy.